This is a 3mm basswood template that I made to allow me to make 4 coasters at a time. It's a real time saver when you have to make multiple coasters. Getting set up to make only one coaster takes a long time. I opened my copy of xTool Creative Space and created a new project. Then I clicked on User Defined Material and selected 3mm basswood. Then I went to the upper left menu and selected Rectangle. I created a rectangle, then turned off Lock Aspect Ratio. Then set the width and the height to 4 inches, which are the exact dimensions of the coaster. Then I added a circle to the top of the rectangle and centered it on the top line. This circle cutout makes it easier to remove the coaster after the engraving. Then I used my mouse to select both the rectangle and the circle. Then clicked on the Unite icon, combining the images into one image. Then I selected Cut in the Settings overview, which automatically sets the cut parameters for 3mm basswood. Then I selected the cutout and made 3 more copies using the Ctrl-C key to copy and V to paste. Then I created another rectangle with the exact dimensions of the basswood, just as a guide to help me visualize the placement of the coaster cutouts. After placing the large rectangle inside the test grid, the large rectangle output is turned off, otherwise known as Ignore, to prevent it from being sent to the laser for engraving. Then I moved each coaster cutout into the large rectangle. Then by clicking on the work area outside the 4 coaster cutouts, you can see a summary of the engraving setup session. The 4 coasters are set to cut, and the outline is set to score and ignored. Now it's time to save everything as a project. In the upper left menu, select File and Save As. Select a folder on your computer where you want to place your new file. Give the project file a name and save it. Now it's time to create the jig. Open the xTool S1 and place the 3mm basswood plywood on the honeycomb laser bed. Use the magnetic material pins on the outer edge of the plywood to hold it in place. Move the laser head to the center of the basswood plywood. Now click on the Auto Measure icon to set the distance from the laser head to the plywood. The software now shows the exact distance. Now it's time to mark the processing area using the polygon marking mode. Now for some final adjustments to get the coaster cutouts in the center of the processing area. To start the cutout, press Go to Process. The software shows the process and the path of the laser head. All that's left now is to press the Start button. I'll speed this up a little. Now, let's make a coaster. My laser is the xTool S1 40-watt laser cutter and laser engraver. It came with the xTool RA2 Pro rotary accessory for engraving curved surfaces like insulated tumblers. I also have the xTool Air Assist to remove smoke and help laser energy stability. In addition, I purchased the xTool Smoke Purifier and Fume Extractor. Thanks for watching this video. There are some helpful links in the comments area of products shown in this video.